Hello, guys. Welcome to the Neighborhood Boy podcast. Hello, guys. Welcome to our podcast, and this is the first episode. So, my name is Erickson Namare, and
I'm Remiki Lalu. We both from Umulong village, which is in West Chantia Hill.
yeah, and we are from Meghalaya, and then we are representing Meghalaya. So, guys, this is our first episode. Hari ni episode kwah iklam cepat katuan ni Jepang. What is this podcast all about? And yi the lay and then man let na gani podcast and then what's the reason behind everything? There we kelami hari ni podcast dan tada ngau dimikila jingkeli we. So that I've introduced if yatoh Erickson Namare. I'm from Meghalaya, from
West
Chantia Hill district. I live in Umulong. Tengah nga mano kamcho la producer, also a rapper, and then yes, I'll put my YouTube link in the description. You can all check me, and also let's share something interesting about Remiki Lalu.
Hey guys, even me, I'm from Umulong, and we're actually neighborhoods. So that's one reason why we named the podcast Neighborhood Boys.
Yeah, that's one reason if I say much and you live in opposite, yeah. That's why that's the one reason you let to gaga podcast let ga Neighborhood Boys. That even neighbor, but also the khana ni behind young tepit let something one which doesn't relate with us. Mem relate with one neighbor, tam woman. Hay chính yatoh cái tepit về tepit gì cái podcast về chúng tôi dùng về chính xã lăng về xã lăng chân dùng ngạo để chính yatoh chắc là mình it's related mà. What is this podcast? Why do we do this podcast?
Okay, first I would like to say this podcast is all about promote others.
Yeah.
Why do we need to promote others? Because we need to help them, as most of the artists out there can't promote themselves. Even if they can promote themselves, they have to use like their own social media.
Yeah, they have to promote themselves.
Yeah, that depend also on how much follower you got.
Yeah,
how much friends you have. But through us, we can help them promote more about what they did and more about their artistic life. So, and the main ambition of the podcast is to help other so that it'll be recognized.
Yeah, to be recognized, to be known.
Yeah.
So all the rappers who are still at the bottom, who still feels like they are at the bottom, kurang senyarak hapo yang sedang ni update mo, we got your back.
Yes.
Sikit saya tentok kelam kontak ha. You dasnya pi yi the lay. Hay ni man yo promote gi artist interview gi man mi man khudi do gi artist ku rapau le ne gi artist ku they recognize pi the timid pi mostly da bon thano khudi man de gi wam put timid pi like de gi rang sedang something like that. The hagani ga podcast man mostly focus man gi artist tang man gi vi gi art gi talent like artists who am talent heavy am tot hisur man even them they are included here ye gi one mo
Yete kamu kena bynta yete to wa iwi nembang ini podcast to nagbanta ka sub yang ibro to do artist tang wa ka sub yang ibro yu ko promote to nei te damot chna nga ni podcast yo rabi ki yo promote ka hay te liang wa to wa yo timit ke pyrthai gi kamu em talent ke sub yang ki.
Yeah.
Bởi vì lại hầm chỗ up yêu ông Ibro. Bốn Ibro là em sắp là em yêu business của bạn nó phần down mấy cái làm bên như thế. Làm mấy cái vừa sắp mi cái này sắp mi cũng bơi chuan thì ví ông IP ta focus về cái sắp của em thì ý là nó iarap pynku IP hay tây liang của yêu thì biết cái pyrthai thì rõ không vậy.
Okay. kamar ong rem gitu teman tok mo ya bah Lada hi man ngala kam artist si like I'm also a rapper, a producer. Ngarsnya halade man lam yo platform hi pynku lade man em lati de video ada na pa ichini runa pa go like host em hi radio and all man yi ki mo yarap im but not that much highlight we need more support from the audience ta
để viết là này phá ni radio tạo ra mình là dân mình absolute ki phá sẽ ý chani the bone ki em nếu up radio thì tem mình tiếp đi bro kamani suru lang mi yi su lang mi
yeah but still the radio is still trying to help most of the artists like even for me the shout out to all the radio out there and that I keep going and then tu yo ong EP man phang kani ka podcast podcast man yo release ya kani podcast every Wednesday 4 o'clock so che hado sana che ye go em hado katel man bo by maximum chikanta the every Wednesday release ya podcast tangwa Monday to Friday except Wednesday sa the Monday to Friday daw em by kaji yo update by EP about the music in Jaintia and Kasi ne pha hai ni promotion to di sut pnar ne sut kasi even in English ki war wa di sut phalang la promoting dan mete gur wa di sut khar la promoting ka to yew la pi wa per promote bay ne pha la to gini nong roi pnar la kan ni chen ni man bon gi roi phalang la bon gi roi kasi la bon do roi khar la em nong ta ha promote by v that if you are interested please follow us on Instagram.
yes
And text in pair message in and we will have you here. We will set up a schedule and
so as you all know we'll be speaking English and at the same time we'll be speaking in our own mother tongue language that is Pnar the gatte review pun tips pi ta wa kasi Monday without AP update Ikisur ki wedang release ki wa man hek tin Pnar kasi then English they win la be Hindi tang wa
Lada
em tang wa ni yo dang runa them how shall pay ta vi to request pi chamba send one ki link trong pi tang wa yo hi update ila pi yo tip pi nang right me we sut me Yarap chong chili absur. Ni nang em pui perlong chama awam absur penarung. Ta de ni we had that yang rem ma ni supenar yang rem. TV on nga. Tim absur penar am ni kemo chnong am. To chuai.
Oh scary ta. Ni pha i la ma kemo nang dan por la pres long na sa silong la. Chi snya tem bruna tem ku ya. Ama mas nang man tem yorap chang ni por. Tem surap chang na. Kun mo yung kun mo ten na penar nong man ten na kitin yung i
kan man siam ye chnong yong a
chnong yong na chnong wa ma ya ta kata ga yang iyo ikalamiwa man yo upload yo himingi gisu latest release from last week mudur from last week ne kam gani rang stang man him bai gini gurang dep release from last week mo from last week kurang dep release bono de yo nong kayong gitigi norway rappers and all mo de yo hi do him bai tigi sur giver ro tam te himi 30 second 30 second himi tambah gi sur bi am copyright so no himi 10 second dan tera give am copyright him bai 30 second dan tera yo bu gi ha hai video dan tera hai video la we won't copy paste your rights yo himi sura dan te i video chna di yong i degi spectrum hi and then yo release gi dan te yo bo yo petu yong phi dan man gi bru gi kwa ler sna suki gi sur pia in 30 second no te yi gi up yo full video yong phi yo bo degi link dan te yi bo di gi cards and all no ji gi bru up ki profit yo ta ta wa mana pet ki bru gi te video ler sna suki sur phi up gi sur phi dan tera hai te up ki sur phi man up ki yong phi channel pha ler upload hai full teman the claim gi right
claim
te da upload no dole 30 second hi dan tada yo hi me let man gi part ki wala the best lane especially the chorus and te gi bru yo sang suk etu the ki cheri gi dan tada up gi full up ki full in your own channel nem ta le gam ta nem bynta nem ha mem kwai chim ya right ski yong phi ne pha I la kam gi artist gam gi norwa hi ne mem hi cha thui ma mana upload re-upload ki bro gi video si man copy paste na
kam tam man một claim cái copyright lever name gi sor lene một hết thau at least I credit ki I kami nong tha te bo no gi de yong ki te that's the worst thing
second kama khana prom te ching nong ne pha yo phi last time Isturyong ke mai itu dang heni pi up da bo ge link description isturyong ke mai dang heni o itu suruh yo pi upload ge and then bo na mo bro yo feedback how man like it's good and all nam tara every upload ge hayong o channel to view bro channel tangwa em pen pair yo pi us te man hoi moi la dap as a fans you can re-upload our songs and all man yo pi man upload le man chna the lyrics then do something creative nong de yong pi nem hai la to him pi de video bo upload chwa he nem tara PSP gi hayong pi ke channel man that's man it doesn't make us happy nong ne pha gibru man apat ki yeti sur yong pi man kam apat ki yong man like it's kam ong besanong man you claim full of our rights ong ba ta man no offense ma ta man you claim full of our rights man ga tu man man ga kamera bi tangwa man house day la dam hoi ba ma him bi gi sur upload ki ta man make it creative nong le pana le kata to le ta
vi le ta một gitu gi wa upload ki te hejing skit một modify gi sur kam na man le ta modify gi
especially ye video na
video te vi le ta wa man ada modify le ta man original la kam na man ta link ta bo di description ni ta original file man te ta what's actually is that's the reality ma ta le gam ta kan bo nan chi upload te claim ki
em than gi kama kan ikte na mai ma em than gi brunong mana upload gam tu nong dang tu lam gi na that's man itu man test man gi bru yu resnyao gi yong original artist te sa thu gi ma te em man gi bru gi lok dong ki na ne gi fans yong ki man ne kim snyao gi na te man tu man da claim full right now te man kama ong besan ong man that's not good na man upload ka ngai tang man be creative ong ba ta kama ong tu na dok Monday dok Friday na yo we will be active on YouTube man de yo than live stream will be streaming every 4 to 5 p.m. every day yo streaming pi de gisur ban like latest songs tangwa hago Monday dan he release gi latest song but on Tuesday kan pu yo stream yo uploading ki topic give a best na ga tu ga top release na ini tu latest release teman kamtet ye upload man hemi gi topic hemi arli le mudur gu bang hemi nem tera kita tak gi topic yang ina dan tera hemi amta upload ya Tuesday la live stream la man amta stream gi na 4 to 5 pm gi coba gi surnong dan metera on Wednesday
you'll relive something that is our podcast so that we'll be uploading our podcast on Wednesday
on Thursday one ye upload kam gi like kisur gi wa no repeat man like top 5 song top 20 song top 10 songs lene yo pi so tiao no em chi banai plan you choose man like in the first week of the month yo man ga test tangam pustanga do next week test tangam do bana one May man do Monday do Friday tanga from the first week who knows pa ga te por boy the cross you 1k that's with the support of you guys and he like kita horam da
help us see something help us help you so we need your support so we can support you back that's the best thing you can do
support us as we support the artists tam tera who knows la hete por ba kan hostang ga ni go plan ni gini go ong ipin do Monday do Friday to itang dang plan ma ideas video ni tang le gi to hado next month for October stang gi dan tema stang October the stang hi man samman go ile man it's a blessing for us if you guys can do that for us and then getting plan yang yam ni na Thursday one every like for the first week of the month you release the top 20 song you am to do you cheat man we will give you like as the audience man you cheat PDP man you was abang pi you can share us teman ngaptet man in the chat ni sa Then haga second weeks yo top 10. Long man it's just a plan lang kama plan and the third week yo top 5. Then the last week of the month one yo to man song of the month. The comments on in the comment section below like how you feel about that. Ki artist le kat em la man ong lang on man hoi mau le gini boy like we need your feedback.
Boy em na pi wa
like something le ne em ong pi le man it depends on you more comments on the comment section below. But song of the month la man it should be one of the best to win song of the month man. It's not only us who can choose it, even the audience who watch this show can comments like daw hay top 5 man top 5 songs te man whatever comments most man your page like man if that song deserve for the top songs man
tangwa mostly your majority comment followers they need a user sometimes.
And then on Friday, remember this Friday we really need your support guys. Haga Friday on module man the song man they give man not the old song or the new song man wara kon thop ai tema we rim la kan thop man gi sunang rim yong cha yang pana la kan thop giwa p gi audience yang request p and send p man you have to share us the link the link is needed ne ha claim link claim cái link mi pi promote mi gi artist promote ne hai la promote gi tem gi sur gi ha yong ta kamu tu meren go gi how will people know them even if yang cek even if we won't get their like YouTube link at least Instagram or like Facebook
that's what I'm about to say. We request people ham send do iputujan hisor way nang rai nagama man le send me the link nang wa ila yo muru promote yo to link nang wa gi bro gi kwah yu am full te yo up ke tu nang wa ya pi iarap
tak ita kang pengemo pi wa man ile kam ginong ruaiแต่ดาองboy most of you guys might say that ดาบนบ่พี่ดองพี่สุดบ่พี่IPV มันile release suri ji bo gi haga ke latest song bo tang wa gi top 20 top 10 top 5 le dam yo pertu ji nagi fans nagi audience imbo ne highlight to promote di pandi hero ka de tema ne highlight to it won't be like honest
mon bui lo ya le kwah promote yo promote kama jole like every time we upload it's the same thing. It will only be what the latest song yang publish tang way you promote and mostly focusing on you give they promote
แต่ละเจ้า release สุดrelease last week แต่มันแล้วดามีเป็นมีไปกินไปแล้วโปรโมทไปกินไป all the latest song ที่เราคนทุบเฮ็ดแต่ตามไว้คนนายพี่ที่เขาtop ให้กินtop 20แล้วนี่กิน top เป็นอีกสุริบ่อีก let not never the audience kerpat ki ya itu dam if we get more requests we'll be happy chau le kita boro la am kam ya bopor from the perspective of now we need them let agree give you said na let agree give you upload gi surgi upload let on gi am boy and like that depends on them then the only thing we try to do is to promote them tell let on game boy and the chong ki we only try to help mem quite to gì tại vì là tem gi surgi boro ne ha live stream la tem gi after the live stream the delete gi mbo ta mi na
ta ga mudle pigi la tem gi sur ta gam preview gi sur so basically just 30 second that on tem gi sur gi nang gi bru tu we jet le sang tho mut bang ha sur
before we end this podcast kamu pini ra oi piman we are neighbor tu yani podcast the neighborhood tangwa kwaคนนายพี่กัตตุมัน what's the
main
reason
what's the main
let tiga the neighborhood boys and explain to meพี่ปูรับเต็มสบายกันนะ
แต่ if it the perkari ta ham sang phe ta da mix up reng chak chang ta le perkari neighborhood ta dem reng ta cuma ikan ten neighborhood ta ta man perajan jong ta ong ni panar ma แต่เลยได้ประกาศพิเศษนั่นหิวต่อองพี่เอาที่ฉันยุ่งคำว่าได้ปฏิพี่น้องตั้งประกาศตั้ง what actually is what we meant by neighborhood podcast ต่อว่าอยู่คุริกีนี่ artist และนี่กีเว็บแต่ละมากีบรุงอยู่ว่านักเล่นโซดองอย่างปฐายอยู่ for me คุย neighborhood อยู่มันนี่วิชิยงในเลี้ยงเสือในเลี้ยงtalent yang ki that's the main reason behind the neighborhood boys
tại em thấy cảm thấy snap he chumut behind the reason behind the name neighborhood boys you heard it now you know the reason so it's like to join the artists and come together as one so now we come to an end so yeah we need to say this right. If you want us to support, to keep on supporting the artists, if you want us to keep on going with this podcast, if you want us to like try to help others, please share our videos so that other artists can see it, and then tell them if they want to promote their song. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your like brother, the artists that you know,
your brother, your sister.
If they want to promote their song, come to us, we'll promote it, we can share it everywhere. We have a team that we have like a whole team who will share it along when the song release. So please bear with us. This is our first episode, and then the next episode hope to see you again there.
Let me just remind you again, this is for your audience. This is not only for artists as a platform, this is for you out there who have talent, be it in drawing. We can promote you in such a way that the world will know you and then will appreciate what you did.
You can show the world what you do. Come only artist is all about the art. Whatever. Kan wa le pi. Ye be pi ne pha. They let mostly claim about ginong ruai. Và tạo ra vô phía nhiều the bonary này nó ngoài mà the bonary cảm ơn nó bài the the bonary nó tại we have to promote each other này ha yêu khai sắp tay bốn này
là làm promote này là boy chọn là
tại này ha là cảm ní aku đi này mình sắp ai nó mình we have to reach somewhere nè làm to internationally làm to nationally là mình we have to reach somewhere nó làm to nationally sorry not to nationally internationally and nationally. Okay then now, thank you for watching this video, and then be sure to share and subscribe,
and also do comment down below, and also do like it so that others will know. And with that, thank you for watching and
peace out.